The fires, the aftermath, and now the road to recovery. All of it, Assemblymember John Harabedian has seen up close. The Eaton fire tore through the community of Altadena in his district.
I think if you meet, as I have every week, with victims of these wildfires, people are hurting emotionally and mentally.
That's why he says, in addition to the legislature's efforts to fund physical recovery, he and Speaker Robert Rivas are jointly authoring a new bill focusing on emotional recovery. AB 1032, also known as the Wildfire Trauma Recovery and Resiliency Act, is aimed at ensuring wildfire victims have access to mental health support.
As we stabilize the community and rebuild and recover, each individual has to recover on their own. And I think this is an important part of that recovery.
Specifically, the bill will require healthcare service plans to reimburse wildfire victims for up to 12 yearly visits with a licensed behavioral health provider. The legislation will apply in counties where a local or state emergency has been declared due to wildfires.
This bill does our part in making sure that anyone who has been affected by fire, any natural disaster, gets immediate help. They're able to see a licensed health professional. They're able to talk about the different feelings and the different emotions that they're going through, and make sure that we are rebuilding the person, their mind and their body, as well as rebuilding the community.
Is integral, it is critical, it is so important.
Dr. Leandra Clark-Harvey is the CEO of the California Behavioral Health Association, representing community-based behavioral health organizations across the state. She notes research shows wildfires can have both short-term and long-term effects on the mental health of survivors. In fact, a study released by Emory University researchers found an increase in emergency room visits for anxiety disorders after wildfire events. On top of that, the National Mental Health Helpline 988 experienced a 5-fold increase in calls and texts when the fires were raging last month.
When a wildfire or trauma like this hits, all of it can come together to create depression, anxiety, and we want to make sure that our agencies on the ground are equipped to provide services, and the best way to do that is to provide them resources, and that's why this bill is so critical.
Very common sense measure. Wildfires affect Republicans, Democrats, and independents equally, and this is a time for us as a body with the Senate and with the governor to come together and bring rapid relief for these issues, and I'm very, very confident that we will have bipartisan support across the board for this.
And as of now, the bill has no formal opposition. It is expected to come up for its first committee hearing in the coming months. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.